afternoon. My name is Nancy Dione, and I am a registered nurse, and I represent the Nightingale Tribute Nurses Society Honor Guard. It is an honor to be here today to give our colleague Cathy a tribute so well deserved for her 45 years as a nurse. If there are any nurses in the group, we would ask you to please stand as we give this tribute to Cathy. When we came into nursing, all of us had the opportunity and were obliged in the old school to participate in taking the Nightingale Pledge. And at this time, I will ask Nancy Roberts to read that pledge again so that we can remember.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care.
Nursing is a calling, a way of life. A service profession cannot be lived in isolation. Nurses rely upon each other for the collaboration teamwork in our efforts of caregiving. It is appropriate that we honor our colleagues, not only during their career, but also today, while life is abundant. So may we as nurses light the candle to represent our dignity and honor to our beloved colleague. We honor here today Cathy and her life as a nurse. Nurse Cathy will not be remembered for her 45 years as a nurse, but by the difference that she made during those years by stepping into people's lives by those special moments.
There is a poem that we read at honor services. It is specifically done for nurses. It's a small pin of gold, a lamp with a flame, a recognized sign of the Lady of Fame. Her first name was Florence. Her life spent with pain, not of her own, but of the sick, hurt, and lame. In her shadow and honor, we now give this pin to this nurse in our midst for all that she's been. With this Nightingale tribute, we give thanks for all that you've done to carry the lamp where there hadn't been one, to give of yourself, your heart, and your care to all those in need, no matter when or where. Accept this small token. You've earned the right to carry this lamp to now brighten your night. And when you move on to your next destination, may this Nightingale lamp serve as your reservation to secure you a sweet place to get your just due as reward for those special things done by great nurses like you. As our Nightingale tribute continues to its end, let us recognize you as a colleague and friend. We honor you this day, Cathy, and present you with this 3 rosebud corsage, which represents caring, healing, and dedication. These symbolize our honor and appreciation for your being our colleague. May the light burn bright. The word is a lamp unto my feet and a light to my path. We now present this Florence Nightingale lamp in honor of the life you so graciously gave to your nursing career. This lamp will remain with you and your family as a reminder of their participation, which also helps support what you gave to your profession. We would like you all to stand with us now and join hands and hearts as our colleague Cathy is able to know that her years of dedication have made the lives of those she touched so much richer by being there. God bless Cathy. Rest well, be comfortable. This is our wish. This is our prayer for all. Thank you.
God bless you, Cathy.
God bless you.
And thank you.
God bless you, Cathy.
Thank you so much for joining us. Cathy has spent a long time in her nursing. I understand from her daughter that she trained in Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh to be exact, that she worked many years, and her favorite time of her life was probably the time she spent in pediatrics. Grandchildren will appreciate that when you grow up. Made your grandma very special about taking care of kids. And then went on to work locally and has given many of her years, and those of you who are family have supported her as she has done that. Cathy, we thank you, and we hope you continue to be part of what we do.
Thank you for coming and joining us.
I'd just like to
Cathy.
thank you for coming very much, and to just expand on Cathy's career just ever so slightly. She's got her RN from Lillian S. Kaufman School of Nursing at the Montefiore Hospital in Pittsburgh in 1969. And because of my job, we moved many times. She always wanted to get a bachelor's in nursing. She finally succeeded in doing that from FGCU in 2004. But between those periods of time, from 69 to 2004, she worked at various places, Johns Hopkins in Baltimore, briefly as a school nurse in New Jersey, where our son was in elementary school, And then various other positions. Every time I'd seem to get transferred, Cathy would go and do some work and also work on her college degree, which we were so proud of her when she graduated in 2004, because it meant so much to her. So again, thank you all for being here. That was beautiful what you did.
We will be leaving the Nightingale candle.
That's beautiful.
We will be leaving the cap. I know it's not the cap for the school that Cathy graduated from,
Pretty close.
but it comes close.
I can show you a picture. It's pretty close.
I think I've got one.
And also for the family, there is a copy of the service book that we are going to be leaving with you.
Well, thank you.
This is yours,
Thank you so much.
so that whenever Cathy's in the mood, you can make her flip the pages and remember that this was done today.
We'll do it.
Thank you.